Exactly 3 weeks ago, I performed the healthy hair care routine I use on my hair on my 53 years old auntie's hair, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the update. You all check this out. Her hair has grown longer, thicker and much healthier. I can't even see her scalp anymore. You guys, I told you it's all about hair care routine, using the right product, investing in Ayurvedic herbs. Just take a look at how her hair is becoming much healthier day by day and longer. This can be your hair, okay? You just have to join the hair growth challenge that we're currently doing, and guys, I guarantee you that your hair will definitely become better. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, turn notification bell, and yeah, let's get this video going. Alright, let's mix the ingredients for the deep conditioning hair mask and set aside before doing other things. So you can skip the clove just in case you're allergic to clove, or you can even put a smaller quantity of clove. But what I put in there was 1 spoon of clove, 1 spoon of moringa powder, and 1 spoon of neem powder. So the neem powder and the moringa powder, especially moringa powder, can thicken your hair. That is what has been thickening that woman's hair, and that is exactly what also thickened my own hair. So you can use it to promote hair growth and get that thicker, healthier hair that you have been craving for. So this hair mask that I'm scraping from the tray was the one I made in one of my previous videos, of which I'll put the link in the description box so that you can watch. Yeah, so I had to add in a little water so that the application process will be very easy, and yeah, that is it for the hair mask. Okay, I also added in a leave-in conditioner, and that is because I needed something that has sleep. If you guys remember, I always say that these Ayurvedic herbs don't perform well on their own. You have to back them up with a product, so that's why I added in leave-in conditioner. You can also use shea butter, fresh aloe vera, oils, okay, but don't use them on their own. Please, you won't get good results. You will end up breaking your hair. So this is the current stage of my auntie's hair. You can see the hair has really grown thicker and longer. Part of my routine when carrying my protective hairstyle on is that after the first 2 weeks of carrying it, I perform what is called cold wash. Now, cold wash is basically when you use a regular conditioner to wash your hair, or you can even use the apple cider vinegar. It's not necessarily have to be a shampoo. It's just you doing less of what you are supposed to do during the main wash day. Yeah, that's what I normally do for the first 2 weeks. So because of how busy she was due to her nature of job, we couldn't do the co-wash after the first 2 weeks, and yeah, we waited for the third week, which is today, and you guys, her hair became thicker and longer. So at this point there was no need of doing a co-wash. What I ended up doing was the normal wash day routine, which I'll put the link in the description box. I already made a video about that 3 weeks ago, so please, you can check the description box to get a full details of what the wash day entails. So right now, after taking down this hairstyle, the next thing is to use the hair mist. The hair mist contains essential oils such as tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and lavender essential oil. These essential oils also contribute to what is helping me to finger detangle the hair, and yeah, also added in vitamin E oil. So all these ingredients put together is very good for hair growth, helps to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair, helps to give you a much healthy scalp. The hair mist is made of rosemary leaf, moringa, clove, neem, fenugreek, black seed, fennel seeds, and even cinnamon sticks. So this tea spray is very helpful. You need to give it a try. The link to make yours will be in the description box below. After spraying her scalp and hair with the tea spray, the next step is to apply the Ayurvedic hair mask that was made at the beginning of the video. If you're new here, hi, here is a proper introduction. My name is Brenda Okolocha and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber. I really enjoy taking care of my hair and people's hair, hence why I had to open a YouTube channel to also give people the tips and tricks of how to grow their hair, especially the black women and the men out there. So I hope you stay subscribed and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any future upload by me. If you also want to join the hair growth challenge that we're currently doing, I am my community, then you can join and catch up on where we stopped. So back to the video. Here is the benefits of using clove, moringa and neem powder. All right, let's start with clove. When I included clove in my hair care routine back in those days, I remember clove really broke my hair to the point that I was wondering if it was something else. But the moment I figured out that it was the way I was using it that led to the hair breakage, I had to stop and figure out the proper way to use clove for hair growth and to retain length. That's to strengthen my hair. And you guys, the moment I cracked the code on how to actually use clove to grow my hair, to strengthen my hair, it has become one of my favorite Ayurvedic herbs out there. So here's the benefits of using clove. Clove has properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activity and encourage hair growth. It's rich in essential nutrients. Clove contains vitamins, minerals, fibers that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall hair health. You see, it's all about the way you use clove, be it in the tea spray, hair growth oil, hair mask, leave-in conditioner, clove hair growth butter. It's all about how you use clove. So here's the benefits of using moringa powder. You guys, I've never had any issue using moringa powder. I can stay all day and talk about how much I love moringa and what it has done for my hair, but I'll give you guys few benefits of using moringa powder. Moringa is rich in source of omega-3, which acts as a major role in the development when moringa is applied topically. Moringa has a rich quantity of zinc, vitamin A and iron, which are very essential for hair growth. Zinc keeps the oil glands in the scalp healthy and nourished. This majorly maintains the scalp environment and makes the scalp healthy for hair growth. And did I mention that moringa is also good for premature growing of hair? If you haven't laid your hands on moringa, please do. All right, it can be used in form of hair growth oil, it can be used in form of tea spray, in form of hair mask the way I'm using it right now. It can be used in form of hair growth butter. So there are various ways you can use moringa powder. I will be giving you guys the benefits of neem powder towards the ending of the video. So when I'm done applying the hair mask, I'm going to cover this up with a nylon. You can also use shower cap, and yeah, use the steaming cap to trap in moisture, and we're going to leave this for 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. After that, rinse off and wash with shampoo, then proceed to moisturizing and putting it back into mini twists. After washing the hair, the moisturizing routine I use is the LCO method, and that is because she has low porosity type of hair. If you have high porosity, then you have to stick with LOC method. So the L stands for liquid, C stands for cream, and O stands for oil. So the hair is already damp, and that is why I proceeded with the leave-in conditioner, which is the cream. Then I will use the hair growth butter to seal in moisture, then end with the hair growth oil. When it comes to detangling, a lot of people use brush to detangle their hair. Please go with what works for you, but as for me, I will stick with my almighty white tooth comb. This white tooth comb has really helped me to detangle my hair without experiencing much hair breakage. Just stick with what works for you. So let's head back to benefits of neem powder and why you should also include it in your hair care routine. One of the lesser known benefits of neem is the fact that it acts as a great antioxidant that can prevent premature graying of hair. You can make a hair mask of neem, which is what I showed you all in this video. And another thing I love is the fact that neem and moringa has similar properties. Neem promotes hair growth, it actively cleanses and strengthens your hair follicles, and also helps with giving you a much healthier scalp. Yeah, so just in case you have dandruff and itchy scalp, neem is one of the Ayurvedic herbs out there that will get your scalp cleared very fast. Okay, I'll create a video of how you can use neem powder and moringa powder in an effective way to remove dandruff and also clear your scalp of itchiness. So the procedure is very simple. You just make neem tea spray or moringa tea spray, you sprinkle it on your scalp and massage very well, then cover it up for about 10 to 20 minutes and rinse off. The second effective way you can make this work is after spraying the tea spray all over your scalp and hair, proceed with the shampoo immediately. Then you will scrub and cover it up with a nylon or with a shower cap and let it sit for 5 to 20 minutes. Yeah, after 5 to 20 minutes you then rinse off the shampoo. Repeat 2 times. If in case you want clarity of what I just said, let me know in the comment section. I may create the video for you guys to see what I'm talking about. You guys, you can see I'm done making the twists and I noticed that she has split ends. What I do with when I see split ends is that I try to trim it off. Yeah, because when you leave your ends like that, it will drag the healthy part of your hair and it will break off. So it's better to trim it off. Please, I'm not saying that you should be cutting your hair anyhow you want. That is not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you should trim your hair once or twice in a year. I do mine twice in a year. The ends of our hair at a point will start getting old and needs to be trimmed off. Immediately you see that single strand of hair dangling, just trim it off because it will drag the healthy part of your hair and everything will just break off. That's why sometimes you feel like your hair is not growing, but in the actual sense it is growing. It's just that it is breaking off from the tips of your hair. That's why you will not see the increase of length. You think the hair is stagnant. Lastly, I had to apply the hair growth oil, which is the last stage of the moisturizing routine for me. So yeah, I just applied it all over the scalp, massage, and also applied on the hair and rubbed my fingers through. And yeah, that is it. Please do well to subscribe if you're new here and share this video if you ended up enjoying it or if you learned something from today's video. Let's know in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.